Hi, my name is DJ Lovall. I'm here at Gulf Shores MarineMax. I'm going to show you the 250 SDX. It's got the nice boarding ladder up front when you're docking on the beach. Integrated docking lights. This boat's 8 foot 6 inches wide, carries 63 gallons of fuel, weighs under 6,000 pounds. Very easy, towable boat. Nice new, holds up to 14 people. Take your whole family and have fun. Let's go on board and we can show you some more features. Hi, DJ again. We're on board of the 250 SDX. I want to show you, look at this, the storage on this goes way back about 6 feet for all your skis and your toys. You have a nice cooler for all your drinks in the back. This seat moves forward as you're having fun. You can sit back here, watch the skiers, relax, check it out. Or if you like, you can move this seat forward, and now you have a nice big cockpit cabin. Moving in, you have the radio adjustment here, a little door, cup holders surround all around. This whole place is full of cup holders and storage. Here's another storage here for your tables. Obviously enough seating for the whole family. Storage in the bottom deck, storage here for your other tables and other ski equipment, life jackets, whatever you like. Moving forward, nice huge area for your toiletries, or if you'd like to lay down, this is another new feature. We have a lay down area in case the kids want to take a break. You got a spot to go, get out of the sun. This comes with a 7-inch Simrad, nice fusion radio, adjustable steering, booster seats right here. Moving forward here, nice walk-through glass windshield. As I said before, you got a nice boarding ladder in the front, storage in each corner, and also you have a table that can go here in the front. If you'd like to do a sea trial today, come see me, MarineMax Gulf Shores. My name is DJ. 423-653-8655 is my phone number.